Alright, here's a short video to help you in the second grade homework. Let's suppose that you're working with a matrix and you want to use Wolfram for it. Here's how you put matrices in Wolfram. First of all, you can kind of see their examples down here. The overall matrix is put within two braces. And then next, each row is put into a set of braces. So if I do 2, 1, that's the first row of a 2 by 2 matrix. I separate rows with columns. And then -1, 3. There's another row. And that's it. Now I can ask Wolfram to tell me what the eigenvalues and eigenvectors are of this matrix. And they turn out to be complex. Now this thing right here, if I would like to include a matrix in my write-up, how do I get that? If you Google CodeCog's LaTeX, I know it's like latex, but it's pronounced LaTeX because it's not what you think. It's a markup language, and you don't have to know too much about this. So if you go looking around here, you can find, oh, there's a matrix. Click on it, and it says, okay, what are the dimensions? Okay, well, you want to do a 3 by 3. I'm doing a 2 by 2. And then, oh gosh, what is this? Well, hold on, don't worry. You're an engineer. What happens if I put a 2 there? Oh, okay. What happens if I do a 1? Oh, that's not what I wanted. Okay, maybe I need to put it somewhere else. What about a 1 here? Ah, yes, I see. And you can experiment. You can figure out how this works. The ampersands divide elements of a row. These double backslashes divide rows. So then I'd have a -1, then I'd have a 3. And so I get this nice image. So I can download it. All right. Great. And now I can go up here to my graded homework, and I can insert an image. All right, so I'll go image. I'm using Google Docs here. You could do this in Word, of course. Insert. And downloads. Need to clean up my computer. CodeCogs. Done this before. 81. There we go. And there we go. And there's the matrix. And you know, experiment around with this. You can figure out how to do all kinds of things. So. You know, you could suppose you didn't have that there, and you want to start out with a derivative. Well, a derivative is a fraction. You go poking around. I don't even know where the menu is, but I know the syntax for it. But you could do it's a frac, and I could do say d, and then dt, and then I could do another vector. I could do this one. I can make it 2 by 1, right? That's going to be my column. I could put R, I could put J, right? And then underneath this thing, I could do equals. I could put another matrix here. This is my 2 by 2, right? I could do my 2 by 1, my -1, by 3, enter. I can do another matrix. It's 2 by 1. I can do R. I can do J. And look at that. That is wicked spiffy. Right? So I could do that instead. Right? Insert image. So you can include, you know, expressions into Docs or Google Docs or whatever pretty easily, even if you don't have much of an equation editor. So that's fine. If you want to do some light stuff within Google Docs, you can insert equations. So you can do things like, you know, lambda sub 1, you know, equals whatever, you know, 3 or what have you. So you can put in some nice typesetting here, which will allow your work to look nice. You can also, yeah. I don't know if you can. I don't think you can grab these things. I don't know if you can or not. So worth. Enlarge. Oh, no. Gotta pay money for that. Customize. Woo! That's not bad. Oh, you can only do it if you pay money. So if you have Wolfram Pro, that's fine. Or if you want to use, you can also you can do a print screen that I just did. And if you have some basic image editor, you can also do things like that. You could, you can cut and paste that way. So there are all kinds of ways of getting good mathematical text in your homework. Okay, so hopefully that helps.